Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Calma here, and to those who are new, please welcome. And to all my fans and to all my viewers, thank you to all of you. Today we are making another easy recipe to follow. It is a century eggs rice porridge party recipe. Back home in the Philippines, we call this arroz caldo or lugaw. I have improvised this rice porridge in a Filipino and Chinese recipe combined. This is one of my family's favorite. I hope you try them at home. This is a party recipe that you can make anytime. You don't have to have a party to make this. And any leftover, you can actually chill them in the fridge up to 2 days. So let's get started and follow along. Begin with high heat and add 6 tablespoons of sesame oil. Smelling so good already. Stir them occasionally, avoid burning them. This time, after 2 minutes, we are adding all the ground pork. Separate them. Mix them well. You may separate the meat this way. It is way easier and faster. Once they're totally separated, then we will add the rice. Remain on high heat. The century eggs are cooked. Turn the heat off in here and set aside. Stir our porridge. Remember, we are on our low heat. I am adding the white part of the green onions to the porridge for added aroma. You can add 2 cans, 3 cans of quail eggs. It's up to you. 50 minutes later, stir. Yummy porridge. Smells so good. Before we are completing our recipe. So this is now 1 hour and 5 minutes later. Add the quail eggs. This is how the century eggs looks like inside. Be careful in cutting them. This is not a sharp knife. There you have it, my friends. After 1 hour and 10 minutes, our porridge is done. Super delicious. Set aside. And now I will show you how I serve my porridge. The porridge looks so yummy. Mix well first. The century eggs, the black one, you can see them right there. The quail eggs. So all of these garnishing are optional. It's up to you if you want to follow them. However, if you do, they will make your porridge even more delicious. So add some green onions. This is for my husband, by the way. He loves green onions too. And shallots. Freshly ground black pepper. About a teaspoon of sesame oil. A teaspoon of shallots oil. Crispy fried shallots. Smells so good. And a slice of a lemon juice. Do exactly the same on the second bowl. Delicious, yummy porridge. Here you go, Dad. The best part is to try what I cooked. It is best to mix them all together before consuming them. Yummy. So good. The century eggs. The quail egg. That's it for now, my friends. Thank you all so much for watching. We are going to eat now. I hope you learned something today and try cooking them at home as well. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, comments, like, share. Thank you all for watching. Until my next upload, see you around, everyone. Bye for now.